Now, we've seen plenty of Russians, Asians, Indians, Arabs, etc., but I feel like Amazing Life 24/7 has had a serious lack of funny black people moments. Don't worry though, here's a video to even the playing field. Let's start with the African American version of Epic Dancing Granny.
Jordan, don't see this.
And we can't tell him to stop. Oh my God.
I want you to send that to me.
Well,
Because
sorry.
I am putting this on Instagram.
Yeah.
Miss Dot, she got you. Look, I said Craig, I said...
Meanwhile, can a movie clip be both adorable and racially insensitive? Let's find out.
Y'all surrounded me. You're surrounding me. Get away from me.
Go up a little bit. Yeah. Go slow. Up.
Bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Come on.
Finally, this lobster recipe called for 5 tablespoons of panic and 3 cups of loud screaming.